Air is an element that is all around us and can be easily harnessed to create energy. In the year 1776, man discovered compressed air and realized that this element of nature can also be used to simplify tedious tasks. Today, we see brilliantly engineered compressed air machines being used by numerous companies to amplify production, move mammoth cargoes, and for various purposes that enhance their capabilities. Simultaneously, compressed air companies are also working constantly to deliver high-performance machines to their clients. Amidst the few names that have contributed to the excellence of the compressed air industry, one such story is that of a company that began its strides in the year 1977 as a modest unit producing parts for air compressors. 4 decades have passed, and today that story has transformed into an unflinching legacy called Indo Air. Over the years, Indo Air has garnered a significant experience in developing compressors and compressor parts with higher efficiency, unflattering reliability, and lower vibration. In fact, in 1998, the company took a leap of progress and ventured into manufacturing its own brand of quality compressors and vacuum pumps that are acclaimed the world over for delivering superior performance in various applications. Mr. C.M. Panchal, along with his enthusiastic team of managers and engineers, form the crux of Indo Air's operations. K.C. Panchal, the heir to the empire, brings fresh thinking and approach to the company and competently supports its vision of becoming a leading name in the compressed air market. While a dynamic management fuels the company's ambitious endeavors, a world-class infrastructure gives a strong momentum to its growth. Designed with a quality-centric architecture and spread across an area of 6,300 square meters, Indo Air's facility is equipped with advanced equipments for supporting versatile manufacturing operations. All internal assemblies are done in a dust-free closed assembly room to protect the internal moving parts from weathering and other environmental hazards. This room is adequately furnished with the right tools, test benches, airlines, and inspection facilities that allow product compliance with all global quality protocols. The output from this massive infrastructural setup is a range of products like Rotary screw compressors, oil-free high-pressure water-cooled, low, medium and high-pressure reciprocating compressors, oil-free reciprocating compressors, heavy-duty water-cooled vertical, and vacuum pumps that serve a gamut of industries like Another forte of Indo Air's manufacturing includes the capacity to produce a range of air receivers in-house, as well as all genuine spare parts of its compressor models. It is the main objective of Indo Air to maintain trust and confidence of its patrons. For this purpose, the company is always committed to providing compressors that are manufactured as per IS 5456, BS 1571 and BS 5069 standards. Indo Air can also supply receivers as per ASME standards Section 8. All the compressors leaving the premises of Indo Air are tested for performance, efficiency and quality. All models undergo tests every month on a test bed established for rigorous performance analysis. Here, the compressors are nozzle tested on calibrated instruments and measurement devices to verify consistency in output parameters. Technically experienced production and quality control staff ensure output of qualitatively and dimensionally accurate components that are further tested and certified for global use. Indo Air has multi-storied store areas with adequate stock that give the company the power to execute orders within 24 hours of confirmation. All of company's products are packaged using industry-approved packaging systems and dispatched via a strong logistics of transportation that help Indo Air make timely deliveries with products in absolute factory condition. Indo Air's Research and Development Department is well equipped with CAD, analytical and practical testing facilities. A team of highly qualified professionals work on advanced research tools to constantly improve and develop new designs. Based out of Ahmedabad, Indo Air has spread its sales and service network through its dealers, distributors and regional engineers in numerous cities across India. The company has also extended its reach globally in several prominent countries. With a pan-global reach, Indo Air has also ensured that its clients get impeccable after-sales service. Its client-first attitude reflects in the fact that the company can fulfill the service request of its clients within 24 hours in Gujarat and within 36 hours anywhere across India. This client-centric attitude, coupled with its ingenuity in design, production, sales and service, have earned Indo Air several accolades, certifications and accreditations from the licensing bodies from the world over. Indo Air is also a recognized export house and was recently awarded the Quality Mark Award by Shri Saurabh Patel, Honorable Minister of Industries. The company wears these certifications and awards as a testament to its commitment of total client satisfaction. With the true spirit of a leader, Indo Air has dedicated itself to realizing its vision and mission of producing zero-defect air compressors and spare parts. The company continues to better itself in all aspects from infrastructure to technology and remains steadfast on the path of progress.